Yan. So, hi guys. Today is Friday. It's Intuition Day. So, bibigyan ko ng Lover's Oracle. Lover's Oracle. Ang mga Gemini. So, mga kagaya kong Gemini, hello. Sa other signs, you can comment down below para mabigyan ko din kayo ng free Lover's Oracle. Okay? Divine Spirits, what do we have for Gemini? Divine Spirits, what do we have for Gemini? Divine Spirits, what do we have? Oops! Gemini. Okay. We have here the twin flames. Yes, the twin flames. It says your passion ignites. Okay, have you ever feel yung person mo na wala pa kayong connection, I mean, no contact situation, but still, yung puso mo or yung damdamin mo do believe and do love him, even so months or years na kayong hindi nagkikita, and the feeling was still there. So, for all Geminis, this is all for you, na sinasabi na kung ganyan ang nararamdaman mo, this person is your twin flames, okay? So, take what only resonates, mga madam, okay? And we have also the romance here. It says that Cupid's arrow strikes. So, your person that you're thinking as of now is the someone who holds your heart, okay? Okay? What more? Lover's Oracle, what do we have for Gemini? Lover's Oracle, what do we have for Gemini? Lover's Oracle, what do we have for Gemini? Sa mga ibang lumipad, sa mga ibang zodiac signs, you can also comment down below para mag-ask ng Love Oracle. It's for free. May dalawa ulit na tumalon. Sige, hanggang isa na lang. Lover's Oracle, what do we have for Geminis? Whoops! Sobra! Okay. So, tumalon, kaya isa pa. Lover's Oracles, what do we have for Geminis? Lover's Oracles, one more please for Geminis. Take only what resonates ha, mga madam. Okay, ang kunin lang natin ay mga nagre-resonate. And comment down below if it really resonates to you, Geminis. We also have here, I will read it to you. Life is a series of constantly shifting cycles. When we resist change, we resist the natural flow of life and create unnecessary stress. Go with the flow, you will be surprised where it leads. Okay, to all Geminis out there, I can sense here na your road for love wasn't that good, hindi kasing sweet, parang telenovela na you have to go on to all obstacles, but the oracle cards tells us that just go with the flow, kung ano man, kahit pangit man yung kinalalabasan or yung flow ng ating love life ngayon, sige lang, sakyan lang natin, and panatilihin natin yung nararamdaman natin doon sa person natin, maging very sure tayo sa person natin, at maniwala kayo kung nafe-feel nyo talaga na siya yung para sa inyo, mapipil nyo naman yan, you know, yung feeling na hindi matapos-tapos kahit di na kayo nakikita. Okay? So, just give faith and be loyal with your intuition. Sabi dito, yung person na yan was your twin flames and there's a romance in you. Kumbaga, mahal nyo ang isa't isa. There's a Cupid arrow strikes. Okay? And we also have the power. Sabi dito, you instinctively know what is right for you and you have the power to say no or to walk away at any time. Okay? So, I can sense here na yung ibang Gemini was dealing with might be a toxic relationship, no, na parang hindi mo masisimulan yung cycle ng life mo kung yan yung nagiging obstacle sa'yo. Hindi mo masisimulan kung hindi ka magsisay no sa mga bagay-bagay na kailangang i-let go in order to have a new beginning. You have to let go of someone or something. Okay? Then the next one, imagine all unwanted thoughts dissolving into light, creating room for new opportunities and possibilities for your life. Yes, I can sense here talaga na may mga magtatapos munang relasyon sa'yo bago dumating itong yung twin flames, no? May kailangan ka munang tapusin bago simulan ang panibago, no? Medyo masakit in your part, medyo mahirap in your part, but keep your faith kasi may dadating talaga sa'yo and this one is your twin flame. Okay, next, last. Criticizing one another will only lead to further unhappiness. Love and accept each other as you are and your relationship will magically transform. Okay? So, dito nakikita ko kalakip na mga obstacles was yung mga tawag dito yung mga kapintasan ng isa't isa. So, when you decided to love someone, kailangan i-embrace mo pati yung kanyang kapintasan. At mas magiging maganda ang flow ng inyong relationship pag natuto kayong tanggapin na no one is perfect. And if you love someone, kailangan imbibe ninyo or no, not imbibe, i-embrace ninyo kung ano man yung mga hindi maganda sa kanya or kapintasan niya. So, as him to you, kung ano yung mga hindi maganda sa iyo or mga kapintasan mo, I'm sure kung mahal ka ng person mo, is i-embrace din niya. So, that's all for you guys, Gemini. So, Gemini, talaga, happy birthday sa atin. Okay, comment down below dun sa mga gusto ding humingi ng love oracle messages na ibang zodiac signs. Okay, bye guys!